Hi guys, it is Cornay Snyman from 60secondbinaryoptions.com. I trade binary options for a living, and I only trade high probability setups. Today I'm going to share another strategy of you guys. It's a 5-minute strategy. It is what I call the bounce back logic, but this time I'm not going to look at the extremes area. I'm looking at the momentum. So if you look at this momentum, you see this momentum is down. So in this down momentum, I'm looking for on the downside, I'm looking for an M which failed. You see, if this bar went up, then it comes down. That I will say that is the left of a M. Then it came down. This is the middle of a M, and then it goes up. That's a right shoulder of a M, and then this bear bar, it closes under the M middle. So it is a M pattern, and on an M pattern, we expect that the market will go down. If you don't understand the M, very simple, just connect the bulls. You see there's a bull, there's a lower bull, you connect them, and then there's a bear, and there's a lower bear, and you connect them. So if both are showing downwards, then you know you have an M. Simple as that. And then on these patterns, we expect that the next bar will go down, but now this bar go up. So basically, it's a failure, and we trade the failure. So I'm looking for a pattern like this, which I call a M, and then the next bar must not go down, it must go up, because then it's a failure. And on a failure, I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple win. Okay, let's go to the next one. See, price coming down, 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 down. And now I'm looking for that M pattern. You see, price goes up, came down. That is my right of a M. It comes down, going up. That's my that was my left on the M. Coming down, that go up. That's my right shoulder on the M. And then this bear bar, when this bear bar go down, it passes the middle of the M. So the expectation is that the next bar will go down. But now the very next bar goes up. So this M failed. Again, if you don't understand the M, you just go to the tops of a bull and you draw to the next bull, and it must be lower. So I'm looking for a lower bull, and on the bears I connect them, and there's a low and there's a lower low. So both are, and you know you have there the M. So the very next bar didn't go down, it go up. So basically this pattern have failed. So I'm looking for a failure. So what I do is the next bar, that bar, I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm out. Going to the next one. Price goes up, 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 and now you can see it's a turn. The price momentum is down. So basically what I do, I look for a high, a lower high, connect them. Looking for on the bears, there's a bear, low, and I'm looking for a lower low. There it is. And the very next bar, that one, not this one or that one, the very next bar after this, I would say, let's say the M was taken out. The very next bar must go up. So it's a failure. And what I then do, if it goes up, I take there a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. Go to the next one. We're looking at the price goes up, down, but you can see, guys, the momentum is down. There's a high, there's a lower high, there's a lower high. This momentum is down. So basically what I'm looking for, I'm looking for a bull bar with a lower bull. I connect them, and then there's a bear bar. I'm looking for lower bear. There it is. So this pattern, we expect that the market will go down, but we don't trade that. We want to looking for a failure of this pattern. It means the next bar must go up, like this one. It goes up, and then it closes there. As it closes, I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm in the money. Going to the next one. Again, look at the momentum. This momentum is down because the price is making lower highs. You can see here. And right, so basically the momentum is down, and now I'm looking for there's a high, a lower high. I connect it. Here's a low, there's a lower low. So I connect it. Now I look for a failure of this pattern, meaning the next bar must not go down, must go up. As it goes up, I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A win. Again, look here, price came down, 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 down. And now basically there's a low, there's a lower low. Connect them. Connect the bears. There's a bear, connect the another bear. Now I'm looking for a failure. This one goes up. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put another one. So now I'm not trading the extreme, I'm trading the momentum. The momentum again here is down. So basically what I'm looking for is a bear, another bear. Sorry, this one I did. Let's go to the next one. Okay, price went up, 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 and now it started coming down. Connected two bulls. You see there? It's lower. Now I'm looking for the bears also lower. There's a bear, that one is lower. So this is a pattern which you expect the market to go down. So the very next bar, this one, must not go down, must go up. You can see it goes up. So it means this pattern has failed. So on a failure, I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm out. You can even take here, because it's a long bar, if this bar come all the way like here, I will take there a fake push, meaning I will get in there. I won't wait for the price to close. Go to the next one. Down market. Looking for, there's a bull, a lower bull. There's a bear, a lower bear. So we connect them. So this pattern, the expectation it will go down. Very next bar didn't go down, actually it goes up. And that failure of this pattern, I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another one. Here you can see it again. There's a low, a higher low. Connect them. There's a bear, there's a lower bear. Connect them. This next price didn't go down, actually goes up. So I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. So there's plenty of trades, and you trade the momentum on a failure of this pattern. That's what I call the bounce back. Alright, market went up. You can see it's exhausted, coming down. This market is basically going down. So there's I'm looking for a bear, a bull bar, connect with a lower bull. I draw them. Then on the bears, there's a low. I'm looking for a lower low. There it is. So the next bar didn't go down, it goes up. So it's a failure of that pattern. So I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I win it. Go to the next one. Look here again. Connect the two bulls. Connect the two bears. Next price didn't go up. So it failed. So I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these happen in one day. All of these happen in one day. The price is coming down. Connect the two bulls. Then I connect the bears. And the very next bar didn't go down as this pattern expected. So it failed. And as it goes up, I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we take advantage of a failure of this patterns. And this is what we call the bounce back logic 5-minute trade. Again here. Price went up or up. You can see this trend is coming down. Connect the two bulls. That bull with this bull must be lower. And now I'm looking for bears, which is also lower. Both are down. The next bar didn't go down. Actually, it goes up. Then I take a 5-minute put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very simple. Guys, and this is how you can also use this M and W patterns. You don't need only to trade it on the extreme. You also can trade it in the momentum. If you are interested to learn more how to do it, you can send me an email at info@60secondsbinaryoptions.com, and I can give you more information how you can get involved, become a member, and then you can also see how I trade live every day. You're going to love it. Thank you.